Welcome back, dear students. In today's class, we will be doing this particular question. So let me quickly read out the question for you. Rationalize the denominator of the following and hence by taking root 2 as 1.414 and root 3 equals to 1.732 up to 3 decimal places. So we need to evaluate 1 and 2. We need to evaluate 1 and 2. So let me do 1 first. So it says, number 1 says, we have root 2 by 2 plus root 2. First and foremost, what you need to do is, you have to rationalize the denominator. So we have root 2 by 2 plus root 2. So we will rationalize by multiplying with 2 minus root 2. 2 minus root 2. So in the denominator, so you have a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Okay, so now you see we have root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 minus we have root 2 into root 2 is 2. Yes, so now you can take 2 common from numerator, you get root 2 minus 1 whole divided by 2 square is 4 minus root 2 square is 2. So again we have 2 root 2 minus 1. So whole divided by 4 minus 2 is 2. So you see 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what do you get here? You get is equals to root 2 minus 1. So now we will substitute the value of root 2, which is given to be 1.414. Okay, so we have minus 1 as well. So from this, if you subtract 1, your answer will be 0.414. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down the solution. You will try number 2 by yourself. Okay, so here we have another question, question number 8, which says a is equals to 2 plus root 3. Find the value of this. So we have a. So first let's find out what is 1 by a. Okay, so given is a is equals to 2 plus root 3. So now 1 by a will be equals to 1 by 2 plus root 3. In place of a, write its value. So now what we will do is we will rationalize the denominator. So we have 1 by 2 plus root 3. So we will multiply by 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So let's see what do we get. So 1 into 2 minus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So we have 2 minus root 3 by 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. So again we get 2 minus root 3 by 1. So if you have 1 in the denominator, you need not write it. So we have 2 minus root 3. So we got the value of a, we got the value of 1 by a. So therefore the value of a minus 1 by a will be equals to a is 2 plus root 3 minus you have 1 by a is 2 minus root 3. So let's open up the bracket. So we have 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3. So these two gets cancelled. So root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. So this will be your answer. Pause the video and note down the solution. So here we have yet another question. So it's again the same type of question. So first and foremost, you need to find what is x minus 1 by x. So let's quickly find it out. So given is x is equals to 1 minus root 2. So let's find out what is 1 by x. So 1 by x means it will be 1 by 1 minus root 2. So we will rationalize the denominator. So we have 1 minus root 2. We will multiply by 1 plus root 2. So 1 into 1 plus root 2 is 1 plus root 2 itself. So in the denominator you have a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So you have 1 plus root 2 in the numerator. So 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2. So what do you see? You get it is 1 plus root 2 whole divided by minus 1. So can I write this as minus 1 minus root 2? Yes, very much. So the value of 1 by x is minus 1 minus root 2. So therefore then we'll find out what is x minus 1 by x first. So x is 1 minus root 2 minus 1 by x is minus 1 minus root 2. Now let's open up the bracket. So 1 minus root 2 minus into minus plus 1 minus into minus is plus root 2. So you see these two gets cancelled. So what do we get? 1 plus 1 is 2. So ultimately we have x minus 1 by x whole to the power 4 is equals to, so the value of x minus 1 by x is 2. So it is 2 to the power 4. So what is 2 to the power 4 equals to? It is equals to 16. So your answer is 16. Pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so here we have another question. So given is x is equals to this much, you need to evaluate this one. Okay, so now if you remember, we have written the formula for x square plus 1 by x square in expansions chapter. Okay, so you have got two formula. One is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, one is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. The other formula is x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. So whichever formula you are comfortable with, you can apply that. Okay, so again we have to find what is x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x. If you are using the first formula, then you will find out what is x plus 1 by x. If you are using the second formula, you will find what is x minus 1 by x. So given is x is equals to 5 minus 2 root 6. So let's find out what is 1 by x then. So 1 by x is 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. So let's rationalize the denominator. So we have 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. We will multiply by 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6. So 1 into 5 plus 2 root 6 is 5 plus 2 root 6. So in the denominator you have a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. Yeah, so we have 5 plus 2 root 6 in the numerator. Look at the denominator. 5 square is 25 minus 2 square is 4. Root 6 square is 6. So 4 6 are 24. Let me write it directly. So 5 plus 2 root 6 whole divided by 1, which is equals to 5 plus 2 root 6. Now let me use the first formula. So we will first find what is x plus 1 by x. Okay, so therefore we have x plus 1 by x is equal to, so x is 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 1 by x is 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay, so we have 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 5 plus 2 root 6. So something gets cancelled, and that is this one. 5 plus 5 is 10. So therefore finally your answer is 1 by x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, I'll use the first formula as I said, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So what is x plus 1 by x whole square? So what is x plus 1 by x? It is 10. So 10 square minus 2. So 10 square is 100 minus 2 is 100 minus 2 is 98. So your answer is 98 for this particular question. So you may pause the video and note down the solution. That's all for today. Thank you very much.